In this video, we will focus on battery maintenance and the rules of proper charging. Basic information. Before you start riding on your newly purchased device, first charge the battery to 100% of its capacity. For safety reasons, do not charge the equipment near flammable objects. For more information, please refer to the user manual. When the battery capacity drops below 50%, connect the device to a charger until it's at full capacity. After charging, disconnect the charger. Make sure that the battery capacity is not below 30% for a long period of time. Don't expose the battery to direct sunlight or freezing temperatures, as this will significantly shorten the battery life. It is normal for the battery charge indicator to fluctuate during uphill driving, hard acceleration, or other heavy loads. The actual battery level can be determined under normal conditions. Storage. Store the battery in an environment with a minimum temperature of 5 degrees and a maximum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. If the battery is stored for more than 3 months, example, winterization, charge the battery to approximately 70 to 80% capacity. Check the battery regularly, and if the battery capacity drops below 50%, charge it again to between 70% and 80% capacity. Never leave the battery fully discharged, and do not charge it to 100% capacity before extended storage. And finally, a quick summary. Before your first ride, charge the battery to 100% of its capacity. Once the battery is below 50% capacity, connect the device to a charger and charge it to full capacity. Never leave the battery fully discharged, and do not charge it to 100% capacity before extended storage. Learn more about general EV maintenance in our next video.